All right. Will you please tell me your name, where you live, and what you do?
My name is Andrea Delapiani. I live in Carrollton, and I am a teacher for autistic children.
All right. And what brings you here today?
I have had a recent tooth extraction, and so I am in the process of getting an implant.
All right. And what kind of work did Dr. Vadaville perform on you?
What started back in September, I came in with a terrible toothache on a tooth that had already had 2 root canals done. And I was told that I'm going to lose the tooth, so I thought I was just going to get an extraction. Come to find out, I needed a bone graft. So he did a bone graft and a tooth extraction, and now, again, I'm in the process of getting my implant.
All right. And let's see. Why do you like Dr. Vadaville and his staff?
I love Dr. Vadaville because he not only cares about his patients, but he follows through with his patients. In other words, it's not his staff that calls me the next day after a procedure. It is him himself. And that goes a long way with me.
All right. And what has been your experience with Dr. Vadaville's office?
Okay. I've actually have come to Dr. Vadaville and dealt with his office for several years. My daughters both have had, one has had wisdom teeth extracted, and the other has had gum issues like in the front of her tooth. So she's had a procedure with him. And I've came several times. Again, his bedside manner, he cares about his patients, he follows through, and he wants the best for us.
Let's see. Why do you think patients should consider dental implants?
They should consider it because, in my case anyway, I didn't want the tooth to just be gone and not have anything to be able to help me smile better or even chew my food so I can digest it. So.
All right, and let's see. Will you share your story about Dr. Vadaville's bedside manner?
Okay. Yes. Dr. Vadaville takes extra precaution when he's doing a procedure on you. He wants to make sure that you're very comfortable, that there's no pain involved. He talks you through when you get a little panic, like I get a little panic sometimes, a little anxiety. He calms me down by saying, "Oh, you're doing great." He's just great. He loves his patients.
Alrighty, and let's see. Will you please share your story about why you would recommend Dr. Vadaville to your friends or family and other patients watching the video?
I would recommend anybody to come to Dr. Vadaville because he knows what he's doing. I've never had an issue. My daughters have never had an issue as far as having to follow up with some work that he's done. He has taken care of me as far as maybe if I didn't like the way something was going, he came and fixed it right away. I would highly recommend people to come to him because, again, I haven't had any issues, and that's the main thing, right? You want to come to a doctor who cares about you and knows what he's doing.
Awesome. And that is it.
All right.
Thank you so
Is that
much.
good enough?
Yeah, that was